Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Video Star Pro for free. So it's quite expensive, but I'm going to show you guys how to get it for free. So what you need to do is go to this site, zoomods.com. They have all these mods, and as you can see, they got the Video Star mod. So just search it up if you can't find it. Press on it, and it's going to start downloading. So this gives you free Video Star Pro, all the QR codes and everything. So let's just wait for this to download here. As you can see. Alright, I've already done this process like 100 times, just wanted to show it to you guys firsthand. So let's just wait for it to download here, as you can see. Alright, so basically what happens is, it's going to bring us over to this page, and it makes us download some apps, okay? So as you can see, it says, please install 2 apps to automatically install the Video Star mod, additional files are required. So they got 4 apps here, you just got to choose 2 of them, download them, run them. You can see TikTok says down run for 30 seconds, Family Island says down to complete level 10. Doesn't matter which app you do, just make sure you do 2 of them and make sure you read the instructions. That's the biggest component to this, because some people don't read them and it's not going to work. You have to actually do them. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how you get the Video Star mod, guys. And you can see down here it says check completion, so it's actively looking to make sure you completed it. So let's do Video Star Pro cost, and it's gonna be up to $29, guys. That's crazy. So this is a permanent Video Star Pro. You don't have to pay or anything. It's not for 1 year, it's forever. So that's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and everything, because this is super crazy and it's fully updated. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this fully works, guys, and it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, bro.